How to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can recover your TikTok account without your email address nor your phone number. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to recover your TikTok account, first of all, you have to understand one thing. How can TikTok give you the access of a specific account if you cannot prove that you are the owner of the accounts? So if you don't have access to neither your email or phone number, let's say I open the TikTok app and then I just want to log in by tapping the profile option. One way that you can log into your account is if your account is actually saved, and you don't have to do anything. You can just save it and then just check the email and address or whatever else you prefer. Otherwise, you can just tap on the login option over here, tap the login option here. In this case, tap on add existing account, and then you can see use phone or email. In case you don't have your phone number, then what I can do is you can at least enter your username, if not email as well. Also, you can enter the username, tap on forgot password, and then see what TikTok tells you. Because see, there are two ways TikTok is most likely going to verify if you are the owner account. If that is that with your email address, you must have access to the email. The other is your phone number. So let's say that your account will compromise. Would you really want the other person to find out your email and address and log into your account without your phone and email? You put them inside for your security reasons, and if you lost either of those, unfortunately, the only thing you can do is contact TikTok support team, and for that you can just tap the question mark icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on it, you can just select this option called recover your account, and once you tap on recover your account, you can just select TikTok account or whatever else you prefer over here. And once you've done that, you can even log in with your Instagram account in case if it is linked. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.